So today's your question is it important to surround yourself with good people? क्या ये important है कि हमें अच्छे लोगों के साथ अपना समय गुजारना चाहिए? You will get 30 seconds. In 30 seconds you need to tell about this question. इस question के बारे में आपको 30 seconds में just बोलना है. The question is it important to surround yourself with good people? So we'll start from this side. You will just get 30 seconds only and you have to answer this question.
So my question, is it important to surround yourself with good people? I think it is very important to surround myself good people, because I have good people, then I have good and positive think. He will tell me what is right, what is wrong for me. We will get learning many good things like that. How can talk to others, how can achieve our goal, how can respect to other, how can behave good to others. If I talk about bad people give me bad and negative things. So that's why my suggestion, we should avoid this type people. Thank you.
Good, great. Okay, next. You have 30 seconds and you have to speak about this question.
Okay. The question is it important to surround yourself with a good people? So according to me, it is very important to surround it is very important to surround yourself with a good people, because whatever where you live and whatever surrounding yours, it impact on you a lot. Because one writer said that show me your friend and I will tell you future. So because where you live, that all the things make impact a lot in on your personality. Suppose that you want to learn English, so make yourself into that atmosphere where the people speak well. So you can also learn without doing any hard work. It's like we are living in our society where Hindi speaking very fluently, so we learn it very easily without doing any practice. Thank you.
Okay, good. Next, Jagrat. You can stand at your place. You can stand, then you can speak.
So my question is it important to surround yourself with good people? So according to me, it is very important to surround yourself good people, because when good people surround you, then you are able to more focus on your goal. If successful people surround you, you will be also successful soon, and you feel more energetic, confident and motivated, because your company has a huge impact on your life and you get positive energy also. Thank you.
Good. Next. You can also stand. After that, you can speak.
Yes, my question is it important to surround yourself with a good people? Yes, it's a very important, because it's impact you and your personality, your behavior, all the matters depends on you. If you have a good company, so you also do the right works and follow the good things, and you do the good works in your life. And if you're surrounded are not a good people, so you also do the bad things, follow the not right things, and you also do the bad things. And if your friends is good, and so you learn so many things you also want to do, and you easily successful in your life.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
You can pass the mic. You can also stand.
Yes, it is important to live with good people, because company matters very important in your life, that in which type company you are living, so same type you will become. If you will live with good people, so you will become also a good people, and if you will live bad people, so you will become a bad people, because it is rule of nature and human being also, that which type your atmosphere will, so it's the same type you will become. And there are many advantages of living with good people, because you can very fast growth in life, and you will become very fast growth in your life.
Okay, next. Who's left? You can.
So my question is it important to surround yourself with the good people? Yes, according to me, it is important to surround myself with the good people, because if you live with the good people, so good people give you positive energy, and good people make you understand what is a good and what is a wrong for you. And if you surround with yourself with the negative people or wrong people, so wrong people gives you negative energy, and as soon you become a negative person. And it is a law of nature that bad things, human beings catch bad things very easily, and it's give you happiness, but good things catch very hard, and it's give you pain. Thank you.
Okay, good. Anybody wants to speak anything? You want? Okay, you are left.
My question is it importance to surrounded yourself with good people? According to me, it is very important. We have good people around us, because if we live in good people, they always talk positive, and they always motivate how to focus on your goal. And we live with successful people, and they always then we become successful, because this is a very big impact on this is a very big impact for a company, and we can become successful, and